you still got them. That belly's jumping. Oh, yeah. You eat too fast.
I guess she did just eat a bunch and then play.
But she eats so fast. That's what makes her get the hiccups.
I've never seen a cat get hiccups before. Like, I've seen the videos you posted of her, but that's like the first time I've ever seen a cat have hiccups.
Yeah, she eats too fast. That's why you have the portions. And then she gets so embarrassed and has to loaf about it.
At least she doesn't